Yeah,
look at
25 ounces of freedom right there, the big one.
The big one.
The big bush.
Damn.
We refer to that in Iowa as a man can.
Okay, well, thanks for having us on tonight. Myself, Alan Carter, and Keith. We are a third generation sod farm. We work for the two of us work for the third generation of farmers. We've been farming sod since 1967. We transitioned from growing lima beans to sod farming when a local golf course reached out to Walter Betts, the grandfather, and asked him if he would grow some grass while they were doing renovations of the golf course to keep the downtime as low as possible. So once he did that, within about a year and a half, back then the 200-acre farm was completely into sod, and it was a lot easier doing sod than it was lima beans, where lima beans are a little bit not as temperamental to the weather as grass is. So he quickly took advantage of that. And then over the course of the years, going to his sons and now the four grandsons, we've moved our operation to Hamilton. We've been primarily up there for about 25 years now. We've grown the farm to a little over 800 acres. Our whole operation is there, our corporate headquarters. We harvest three types of sod. There's straight bluegrass, there's a fescue bluegrass, and then there's the Bermuda grass, which is currently Tuckahoe 31. We have a fleet of 8 tractor trailers. We have installation crews. We have removal crews. We have about 48 to 49 people. And during the winter months, that goes down to about 12, maybe, 10 to 12 people. We have our own maintenance shop. We do all of our own truck servicing. The big thing is we grow grass and we ship it all over to the Northeast, as far as the Mississippi and as low as North Carolina. I've been with the company for 32 years. Started there, like I mentioned, the grandfather hired me back in the day, and I was painting the block buildings down there in the hot sun and putting tar on the flat roof and all that good stuff that the young guys start out. And I packed sod for many years, hand stacking it on pallets, and now it's all automated. So the guys that work now they kind of got it made compared to what it was back in the day. But so I'm like the old guy on the farm now.